Yes, people, so sit on the pot and you. It's Joe chicken, my people. I set on the pot and let's go and get it on the line, man. Outside, we outside. 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 People, you know, if you ask if the food and have a nice, you know. Wanna watch how I go on, people. We have stick piece of garlic again. Little piece of scallion. I understand me, people. And I'm going to bust up piece more onion. And we're going to chop in the oil. So when the food done, everything nice and alright, my people. So the pot I will get 2 seasons, my people, if you don't understand. Stew chicken there in the sink, ready. Ready for your fire. Nice and pretty. Yes, the video low as possible, you can see it. Say pretty, my people. Let's see what I go on with the oil. Go on add a little bit more, my people. So a piece of ginger again, my people. Piece more ginger. Yeah. Ginger make your food nice. Fish that aside. Alright, my people, so slice up your ginger. That my people. So here's how we have onion, scallion, garlic, ginger, and piece of scotch bonnet. Put in the oil. This is the oil, you know, people. Not the meat, you know. Oil we are going to season. Now wash a piece of sweet pepper. So I'll go over to the oil now, people. See that, my paper?